Hello my friends and welcome to an impromptu Dollar Tree haul. This was not expected at all. I was stopping by Dollar Tree to get some kind of a hair clip, and I have a Dollar Tree haul now. This is Simba. He's here for probably another 0.5 seconds before he jumps off, right baby? Let's give mama a 5. That's right. That's how we start videos around here. So I did get some beautiful, beautiful fall stuff. And may I just say, I kind of hit the bullseye. Oh, there he goes. I kind of hit the bullseye when it came to the colors I chose for fall for my office, which is that kind of like foresty dark green and that burnt orange colors, because those are the colors that I saw at the Dollar Tree. So since we're talking about the colors, the pumpkins this year, look at this. That's the color that I have, like that foresty dark green. So I picked up one of these that have the gold kind of webbed on it. I have these in many colors and I've had them for years, like maybe what, minimum 3 years. The only thing is when you get the ivory ones, they tend to kind of fade in color, but that's all right. That kind of adds to the color, right? You know, it's fall. Things don't have to be perfect. But the other pumpkins that I have like this all lasted for a long time. So that's why I said, you know what? It's okay. We can just add a few more that would match the decor. So I'm going to kind of adjust the pumpkins I already have on there. Sorry. Simba is doing the scratcher thing. I guess he's mad and sharpening his claws for mom over here. Then I got this round one. These are nicer to put everywhere because they stand a little bit better than these sometimes. I mean, sometimes they stand nice. Sometimes you have to prop them against something. So these are nice, the rounded ones. Then I got 2 orange ones like this, and these are a gorgeous, rich orange type of color with the gold in between shimmering. It looks so pretty, very beautiful. And I mean, the quality of these, since I've had them for quite a few years, I think are not so bad. So I did get 2 of the regular orange, and of course I had to get a darker burnt orange type of color. I don't know if you can see the difference, but this one's like a dark orange, and don't forget that I have like a light around me, so it might be making it lighter, but it's like a dark orange. It's really pretty. It doesn't look red, but like it looks like an orange if you added a little bit of red paint to it, you know what I mean? So it is a darker orange, very, very pretty. Then I got this kind of like an antique gold. I wouldn't say it's bronze, but like more of an antique gold type of pumpkin. 2 of the burnt orange ones, and these are the velvet ones. So pretty. Got another one of those. And for some weird reason, I got like a mauvey pink one. Why not, right? Then I got that foresty green color one, but this is the velvet, not the shimmery ones. I already have a few of these, so I thought I'd add 2 more to my collection because my house has a lot more blue and white than it did in Chicago. So I thought maybe I can add these around the dining room. And then of course, why not pick up a few ivory ones? So I picked up a few of these. I'm looking around, and since this haul is predominantly home decor, I would love to know what your home decor theme is, my friends. If you can comment, please do so, and let me know the theme for your fall home decor. I'm going, in my office, I'm doing this theme. Throughout the house, it's pretty much blue, ivory, whitish, and orange, because I'm trying to bring in more of the blue and white, but I need those fall colors. I need those orange and browns to be incorporated. So we're doing that. And of course, I will be doing a home tour. This whole shopping spree happened because of these, my friends. They had these by the doors, and when I saw them, I was like, I don't know how I'm going to use them, but I need them. They are this golden orange iridescent gorgeousness. I don't even know. So it's just a bushel. There are 6 branches on here, and it's just so stunning. They had some silver ones. I didn't see another color combo. Maybe your Dollar Tree has another one. Let me know. But in mine, it was this gorgeousness and silver. But I had to pick up 2. I don't know. Maybe I'll throw it in a wreath somewhere or something, or maybe even in decor. Who knows? Then I always recommend picking up something light for fall, some ivory mums, and these are big enough to fill in. Maybe you're doing a wreath with some florals. Maybe you're doing just a simple bouquet and you need to add some florals. These are just such a good filler. So whatever that bright color is in your decor, grab some. And mums are just great, and the burgundy mums are so pretty this year also. The next thing I picked up were these leaves. These match my background, and I am so confused with this background that I have because I'm somebody who likes things happy and bright and colorful, and I chose these dark colors, but in some way these colors are bringing me calmness and just kind of, I don't know, like just quiet. Like they scream just like, shh, like be quiet, Nadia. It's okay. Calm down. Maybe I need it right now. But that is what I'm saying. Like these colors, for some reason, I'm loving them way more than I thought I would. I picked up one of these bushels. These have been around Dollar Tree for a very, very long time. And I just thought I needed some because I don't have enough things that have leaves. So I picked up a few of these, and it looks like I got 3 of the ones that have the lighter berries, and then somehow I picked up one of these that have the sunflower and the colorful berries, but I thought I picked up more than one of these. Supposedly not. And the last florals that I have are the $5 florals. My friends, I think they're a great deal personally. Even if you buy on other platforms, you know, the other platforms, I still think for $5, this is a great deal. This is $5, this whole thing. It's like one thing. I don't know, somebody was trying to open it up, but this is one. This is just one, and here's another one. So I paid $10 for this. For all of it. I think that is a great deal, even if we're talking about those craft stores like Hobby Lobby, Michael's. Like, this is really good for $5. Look at these gorgeous sunflowers. They have some daisies. Then they have some of these plasticky ones, but they work really nicely with them. But another sunflower. I mean, these are just so stunning. Oh, and we have a mum there, and more sunflowers, then a bunch of these little branches. Just so pretty, so beautiful. And this whole bouquet for $5. I mean, you don't even need to add anything to it. This is your whole bouquet. Just put it in a vase, that's it. But I bought 2 because, I don't know, I wanted more. Because I wanted more, my friends. I did buy, I wasn't sure about this, but I did buy this for $3. This is the flock garland. They have a few, and this was in the kind of section where they had like the football themed ones, but these had acorns and orange, and I thought the browns would look nice and the orange and the ivory would look good with the fireplace garland that I have currently. I don't know if you guys can see, but you know what? I'm going to take them out. I don't know why I'm holding them in the bag. I'm going to hang them up. So let's just open them. And so this garland is 6 feet. It's simple. Like, I didn't want anything very busy because I already have a garland on top of my fireplace that I kind of filled with things. But doesn't this look nice? And these little pom-poms are so cute. And I love that pop of orange. and ivory. I thought this was a very cute little garland. Acorns, who can go wrong with that? I have not been at Dollar Tree for a long time, my friends, like a long time. The only time I went there in the last probably almost 2 years, I'm not even kidding, maybe 1 year, I don't know, was to pick up my wreaths, my wreath forms. And if you don't know, I'm going off the subject right now. If you want the Dollar Tree wreath forms, order them to the Dollar Tree near you, and then it's going to be free shipping. So there's no difference in you buying a whole stack of the wreaths there or just ordering, coming and picking them up. No shipping. I paid 0 shipping, just paid for the wreath themselves and the taxes, but I did buy them in a set. So what? I would have bought them anyway. So if you're in that situation and you would have bought them anyway, you know, just that however many it comes in a pack, then I would definitely just order it to your Dollar Tree. So this is a round plastic table cover. I have a round table in the kitchenette, and I thought this would be perfect for a party. They had them in a few colors, but they didn't have any for fall. I'm hoping they're going to maybe get some orange ones in or brown ones in for fall. That would have been nice. But I thought this was great for a party or something to set the table or whatever. It's white, it's round, and so this is 84 inches. A standard table is, you know, a small one's around 40 something, a larger one's 50, 60. My table is 50, so this 84 is so perfect. I'm very excited about this, but yeah, I've always seen the rectangular ones. Maybe I just went with my eyes to the rectangular ones, but didn't see this one. I'm hosting fall, I'm hosting Thanksgiving this year, and I picked up 2 little maple tray leaves like this. I thought maybe for like candy or cookies or something or other. So I picked up 2 of them, and they came in a few colors also, you know, the standard fall colors. So I picked up a few of those. And then I picked up, look at this. These metal yard signs are so cute. Like, not bad quality at all. We're not talking about the cheapy ones. I'm talking about like the really, really nice ones. And they had, so I picked up an orange pumpkins because I already have metal signs, and I just added, you know, like I took these as additions to the ones I already have, you know. And then I got these guys, 2 of the ivory ones, but they had quite a few, and I was quite impressed and surprised that they had these, and they were cute, my friends. They were really, really nice. The last thing I'm going to show you is a few signs that I got. Of course, pumpkin spice season is here, and they have like a lot of like latte themed ones. So they have this one, they have latte, and I think they had something else, but this is definitely me. And one of my favorite fall mugs is an orange pumpkin by Ray Dunn. I'll throw it up here, a picture of it. I just took not too long ago, but I thought this was cute, and it kind of matches my favorite little fall mug. Had to get that for the kitchen. And then this one has been around for a while. I just personally never got one of these signs, and this one is big. For some reason, I don't see the dimensions, so every crafter's desk, no matter where that desk is, has to have a measuring tape. So let's measure this baby. It's probably 8.5. Not bad, right? I'm guessing this is over 12 inches, so let's see here. Yeah, this is 13, like almost 13.5. So like 8.5 by 13.5, so quite a big sign. If you're going to buy a sign this big, think big wreaths. Think a curly wreath, those huge wreaths that we make, like this would be perfect for, and one we can kind of wiggle in between the deco mesh, maybe a ruffle wreath, something like that. That would look so beautiful with a big wreath, you know, just big impact. And the last sign, now this one I'm gonna have to measure in length because this one's, yeah, this one, okay. So this one's measuring 15.5. by 5. So 5 this way, 15 and a half side to side. I don't know if I'm going to put this on a wreath, but the black and white got me. Like, it's not just ivory, it's this white and black, and that just kind of makes me very happy when I see that gorgeous contrast. And of course, look at these sweet little orange pumpkins everywhere. So stinking cute. I think this sign is adorable. I don't know, it caught my eye. That's why I ended up getting the other two things. Is I saw this sign and I was like, well, now I gotta get a few signs because they're adorable. And I already have a lot for fall, but had to take this one home. Alrighty, my friends, I did a lot of talking today. I hope you enjoyed our little time together and our little haul. And don't forget, in the comments below, please let me know what your fall theme is for this year. Thank you so much for being with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe for wreath tutorials and more. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, my friends. Mwah!